the media.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uJoe Phahla uthe kwaqala ukutholakala abantu abahaqwe isifo sohudo ngoNhlolanja wanonyaka.
This was the case of two sisters who were diagnosed, who were resident in Johannesburg in Diepsloot, and who had traveled together by bus to attend a funeral in Malawi. They had returned to South Africa on the 30th of January 2023, and then they developed symptoms of gastroenteritis. And when they presented to a health facility, specimens were taken, and they were on the 5th of February confirmed to be suffering from cholera.
Kwaphinde kwatholakala abanye abayisishiyagalombili khona la eGoli.
8 more cases were confirmed, 6 more in Johannesburg, again mainly in Diepsloot, and also 2 cases in Ekurhuleni.
Ungqongqoshe ke uthe kwatholakala iphoyisa likhala ngesisu kanye nokuphalaza emva nje kwezinsukwana lifikile eKolishi eHammanskraal.
This patient is a police officer, and he had enrolled for a 3-week course at the SABC College in Hammanskraal, for which he arrived on the 7th of May and started the course on the 8th of May. And on the 12th of May, a few days later, 5 days after arrival, complained of abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, and was then taken by ambulance here into the city at the Mulmet Hospital on the 15th of May. The tests which were performed on the 15th of May confirmed cholera.
Leli phoyisa ke lisasesibhedlela kodwa lisesimweni esigculisayo. Kwaphinde kwangeniswa esibhedlela amanye amaphoyisa ayisishiyagalombili kodwa sesimweni esigculisayo nawo.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezempilo eLimpopo uthi usebenzisana nesifunda iBembe ukuhlola amanzi kulandela ungeniswa esibhedlela saseMusina komuntu okubikwa ukuthi uhaqwe isifo sohudo. Lesiguli saphuthunyiswa esibhedlela ngesonto eledlule kepha size sathola imiphumela yaso izolo. Owengamele ezempilo kulesifundazwe uthi okwamanje basohlola ukuthi sidabuka phi lesiguli.
It's very difficult when you are dealing with somebody who is not from within the borders. Unlike you see the previous case that was reported by NICD as a eLimpopo case. Yeah. We could easily trace because yes, the resident it's Giyani, but the person was currently studying at Hammanskraal.
uRamathuba uqhubeke wathi umnyango wezempilo eLimpopo basezinhlelweni zokuxilonga izisebenzi zasemaplazini aseMusina njengoba izisebenzi eziningi zivela kwamanye amazwe asezwenikazi Afrika.
We are also getting into a number of farming areas around Musina because there are a lot of migrant workers who are working within that particular area, so that we screen quite a number of people and also do water sampling testing.
Lo mnyango uthi ukulungele ukubhekana nokubheduka kwesifo sohudo esifundazweni. Umbiko usihle Dlamini wezindaba ze SABC.